All right, let's in fact cut across to Rakesh Tikait, who's speaking at the moment.
तिजोरी में बंद नहीं होगा, ये संघर्ष जारी रहेगा। ये अब किसान का आंदोलन नहीं है, अनाज तिजोरी से बाहर निकालने का आंदोलन है। सबसे अपील है कि सब बाहर निकलो, ये बड़ी लड़ाई है। जिंदाबाद, जिंदाबाद, किसान एकता जिंदाबाद, किसान एकता जिंदाबाद।
All right, that was a comment there from Rakesh Tikait. Now, of course, remember the situation at the borders of the national capital is still tense, and of course, those are the visuals from Ghazipur border right now at the moment. And let's also, in fact, tell you. All right, let's in fact listen in to what Satyendra Jain has had to say over all of this.
Satyendra Jain is with us. Now the supply of water has been stopped at Singhu border. Satyendra Jain, who is minister from Delhi government. सर, आप लोग टैंकर लेकर के आए, हमने देखा यहाँ पर पिछले 2 महीने से जब से आंदोलन चालू हुआ आप लोग काफ़ी बेसिक फैसिलिटीज़ प्रोवाइड करा रहे थे, पानी का टैंकर था, तो अभी क्या प्रॉब्लम होगी? देखिए,
दिल्ली सरकार की ओर से लगातार पानी का, लंगर का, टॉयलेट्स की सफाई का लगातार पिछले 2 महीने से इंतजाम किया जा रहा था। कल रात से इन्होंने टैंकर्स को रोक दिया है। अभी मैं खुद आया कि भाई मैंने ऐसा नहीं हो सकता, पीने का पानी तो नहीं रोक सकते हैं। पीने के पानी को खास तौर से रोका जा रहा है। कहते खाने के लिए भोजन नहीं जाने देंगे, पीने के लिए पानी नहीं जाने देंगे, टॉयलेट की सफाई नहीं हो देंगे, ये किसान दुखी होकर चले जाएंगे।
मतलब ये तरीके से प्रेशर टैक्टिक्स है सरकार की,
गलत तरीके की। अगर प्यासा तो दुश्मन को भी नहीं मारते, तो हमारे देश के किसान हैं, हमारे ही तो अन्नदाता हैं, इनको प्यासा क्यों माना जाए?
साइड से सर, जो पानीपत के साइड से जो गवर्नमेंट है, यानी उनकी तरफ से जो एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन, क्या उनके तरफ से पानी वगैरह मिल रहे हैं?
वो तो इन्हीं के लोग हैं, वो क्यों देंगे?
मतलब आपको ये कहना है कि हरियाणा वाली गवर्नमेंट
नहीं, हरियाणा गवर्नमेंट तो मैं कुछ नहीं कमेंट करना चाहता। दिल्ली सरकार 2 महीने से लगातार, पूरे 2 महीने से पीने के पानी का इंतजाम, लंगर का इंतजाम, टॉयलेट्स का इंतजाम, वाईफाई का इंतजाम सारे कर रही थी।
तो अब टॉयलेट की भी सफाई नहीं हो पा रही होगी?
सफाई के लिए नहीं जाने दे रहे हैं। सफाई के लिए हमारी गाड़ी जाती है, जो जाके टॉयलेट को साफ करके लाती है, उसको बिल्कुल नहीं जाने दे रहे हैं। कल रात
चीज बताइए सर, आप लोगों का जीटीबी जो यहाँ पर पार्क है,
इसका लंगर भी बंद करा दिया इन्होंने।
अच्छा, मतलब पुलिस नहीं वो बंद कराया है?
जी।
Repute to the entire movement. At the same time, there are several innocent farmers also. Why are they not being allowed to have water? You cut off their water, you cut off their food, you cut off their access to toilets, and you just leave them to die. What is going on? What is going on? This is violation of the human rights. How can you do this?
Okay, so this is Raghav Chadda who is saying that this is violation of human rights. With video journalist Dilip Kumar Sahu, I am Alok for Mirror Now.
All right, well, that was Raghav Chadda there. In fact, this is now politics also breaking out over what's happening at the borders at this point in time. We'll try and also go across to Alok as well to get a sense of what's happening. The Delhi Deputy Chief Minister, meanwhile, visited the Ghazipur site and met the farmers. So all of that been happening since this morning. So a lot of action. Remember, since yesterday, there has been a lot of action going on, especially at the Ghazipur border, where the water and power supply was cut off, and there was huge deployment of forces as well, of the police as well. And now, of course, we are seeing that the crowds increasing since this morning. We'll just try and go across. All right, Ayushman is joining us for more details. Ayushman, if you can give us the latest updates.
Yes, Avni, here the Delhi Deputy CM Manish Sisodia came, but Manish clearly said that he did not wanted to make the stage a political stage, and that's why he did not go up to the stage. Below the stage, he made sure that he informed the farmers that water and the other facilities were available from the Delhi government, and has said that the Aam Aadmi Party supports the cause of the farmers. The 3 laws need to be repealed. Yesterday, after the protests were taking place, at that time, the leader, Rakesh Tikait, called, Farm Union leader Rakesh Tikait called Arvind Kejriwal and said the water facility was needed. And then today, at Ghazipur border, the water tankers and other facilities have been sent from Delhi government, and Manish Sisodia came to inspect about that only, and he also came here near to the stage but did not go on stage, saying it would give a political color to the entire movement.
All right, Ayushman, thank you so much for joining us with all of those details. Well, that's the latest at this point in time. In fact, a lot of politics going on as well over the farm laws as well. AAP leaders visiting the protest sites. Delhi Deputy Chief Minister visited the Ghazipur protest site, and Health Minister, in fact, AAP MLA were at the Singhu border as well. And remember, just some time back, in fact, Delhi Chief Minister urged Aam Aadmi Party workers to support the farmers. Those are the latest details coming in at this point in time. We're also going to try and go across to Alok to get a sense of what's happening at the Ghazipur border. At Singhu border, I beg your pardon. Of course, meanwhile, just an update as far as Ghazipur is concerned. Number of farmers protesting at Ghazipur border has gone up after the appeal made by BKU leader Rakesh Tikait last evening. Remember, farmers led by Tikait had a face-off with cops and the Uttar Pradesh administration yesterday after the latter gave them a notice to vacate the protest site. In fact, this morning, BKU leader Rakesh Tikait urged farmers to maintain peace and calm.
यहाँ पे जो लोग होंगे ना, जो संयुक्त मोर्चे के लोग होंगे, वे बताएं।
आपकी आवाज बिल्कुल टूट गई है और तमाम सारी चीजें, क्या मतलब क्या कहना चाहेंगे, क्या संदेश देना चाहेंगे?
संदेश ये है कि लोग शांति से रहें।
हाँ।
और भारत सरकार से बात हो, जो मसले हैं हमारे, उस पर भारत सरकार बात करे। शायद चल रही है, कोई बात चल रही है।
किससे बात हो रही है?
सरकार के लोगों से बात हो रही है।
Meanwhile, RLD leader Jayant Chaudhary visited the Ghazipur protest site. Speaking to Mirror Now, he said that he was not there to gain any political mileage, but to stand in solidarity with the farmers.
Don't you think you coming here will give a political angle to the protest, because farmers have been...
See, this is not the first time I've come here. Second time I've come here. I've been to Singhu, I've been to Shahjahanpur, I've been to Bawal, I've been thrice to Badot. Wherever farmers are sitting, I have been there earlier. I'm here to support their cause. I'm not here to take away anything from their cause.
Jayant, you and Akhilesh Yadav both have put your support behind Rakesh Tikait. How do you see the appeal by him? Yesterday night he was crying, he made an emotional appeal.
See, we have put our support behind the farmers of our country. And all the farmer organizations that have been till this point agitating, they have done it very creditably. Full marks to them, and therefore it is our responsibility to look beyond our political boundaries.
One last question is, the UP government yesterday gave an order that all the protest sites will be removed. In Bagpat it has been removed. How do
See, I request Yogi ji, UP government to issue an order. First, declare price of sugarcane. Second, determine whether in 14 days farmers will get their dues or not.